All right, for our first day of making a presentation called a Google Slide, we are going to focus on three things. One, answering each question of the page that you see or the slide that you see on the left. This is like an electronic book. We have the title page and the information below it and the end of the book. We have three things to do. One thing is answering the questions on each page. This has to do with our VexKit vehicles. Where it says put answer here on each page, of course that's where you respond to the main title of each page, the header. After you've answered those questions, the second thing you're allowed to do is change how the book looks. There are two ways to make the book look different than just a white page with black letters. You can either choose a background or a theme. A background lets you pick a color to put behind your words. We are not going to do an image right now. And if you pick a color to put behind the words, you can either add it for each page, meaning the color or the background for each page can be different. Done will only do one page. But if you'd like that color to go to all of the pages, you would add to the theme. And then all of those would be changed, every single page of the book. You can also go to the word theme, and they will have made things for you so you don't have to. You can choose the background on your own, or you may go to theme. And theme will change two things. Most of the time it will change over here, and your choices can be changed by the color of the background and the look of the letters, which are the fonts. You can scroll down and you can decide how each parts look. Once you decide, if you pick a theme, they will change it for you, and you can decide if that's how you want the look of your book or your presentation to be. One last thing you can do, well, there's a couple more. If you decide you don't like something, don't forget, undo anything that you made that you don't want. That is a huge button that is used in many different Google products. Use this. So, you are to change the background or the theme. And the last thing I want you to do today, after you've done the background, the theme, and you've answered the questions, the last thing, if you would like, is you're allowed to change the font. Again, if you change a font, sometimes the theme will do it for you, but if you would like to change the font for your answers or the font for the header, you highlight them, and then you will go up to here where it says font. They will show you the name of the font name, and then you are allowed to change them if you wish to change them. Now if you notice, if I change a font, it only changes it for that page. If you wish to change it for each page, today we're going to have to do it individually. You would have to go to that one to change. So, final reminder, three things to do today. Answer the questions or the headers, change the background or the theme, and if you'd like to add or change the font style and font size. So if your answer seems rather small, the last thing I forgot, besides the font style, if you change it to this and you want to change it to a different size, you are allowed to change it to a different size. But we will be putting more things on here besides these words. Pictures will also be included, but that is not in this video.